Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I am finally going on this bachelorette party trip, everything that I've been talking about on my channel for like the last 3 weeks maybe, and that is actually on Thursday. Today is Sunday, but it'll probably be Thursday by the time you're watching it. I am going to vlog the whole thing, so make sure you subscribe and you turn your post notifications on so you can see the weekend that I am about to have. Anyways, I thought that I would go ahead and pack my bag with you guys watching me. This is my very first time packing only a carry-on. I am 31 years old and I have forever that I've ever traveled checked a bag. I've never done carry-on. The most that I'll take with me on a carry-on is a little backpack with my iPad and headphones, and that's it. This time I'm taking everything with me. So everything that's on the bed is gonna go into a little carry-on and my backpack. And I'm going to New York / Connecticut, and it's cold. So come and see how I'm going to fit all of this mayhem in one little bag for a cold winter vacation. I'm sure that if I had a whole bunch of bikinis, it'd be really easy, but I don't. So let's go ahead and get started. So first things first, this is the bag that I purchased for my carry-on luggage. Like I said, never owned a carry-on before, so I had to go out and buy one. I bought this one actually at TJmaxx, and it was $49.99, and of course it's loud and bright like me, but this was the one that I fell in love with the most. I do have a carry-on bag this size, but it was missing a crucial element. That it was missing was the fact that my one that I have in the closet didn't currently have like a space in here and a space in here. It just had the one space, and then this was just all lined with this mesh, so couldn't fit too much stuff in there. But I went out and I purchased this one, and it's the same measurements that it should be for a carry-on, and I will drop them on the screen somewhere here. And it is by Mia Toro, designed in Italy. It's expensive. So like I said, we're gonna fit everything that's on this bed plus my 2 shoes. And some things don't go because it's like my airport outfit, but we'll see. Probably going to fast forward through the whole thing so it's not an hour long, but I will do the voiceover for the rest of it. Anyway, come pack with me and let's see how I do this. So as you just saw, I put all of my clothes in on one side. The only clothes left on the bed is my outfit for the airport, some socks, bras, and underwears, which are gonna go onto this side. But all of the main bulky clothes is in here, and there are 3 sweaters in here, a leather jacket, 3 t-shirts, 2 tank tops, 2 jeans, 2 leggings, and a pair of dress pants. So I did try to do all this with just packing cubes, and the packing cubes did not work for me at all. If anything, they took up more space in my luggage, so I got rid of them. I returned them. Eventually I think I'm gonna purchase ones that like compress clothes. These didn't, they were just made really for organization, but I thought that can't do it because it just doesn't fit everything in there. So that is this side. I'm not going to put anything in this little flap. I mean, I suppose that I could, I just don't know what. So that's going to stay empty, but I am going to pack my shoes, my makeup bag, and any other miscellaneous little bags. So let's do that. Okay, so I opened up my suitcase just so that it closed, everything's fine, but I left it open just so that nothing just gets super wrinkled or nothing is too tight before it needs to be too tight. So that way it can just kind of breathe until I need to actually close it. Again, I don't leave until Thursday, it's only Sunday, so it didn't make sense to close it all the way. Now the last three things that are left, of course, is my airport outfit, which is back here. I'm just wearing a pair of leggings, an Adidas t-shirt. It's brand new, haven't worn it yet. An Adidas t-shirt. I'm going to have my jean jacket and my Adidas sneakers. So that's what I'm wearing to the airport. So in this one, I just have my primers, toners, water, setting spray, eye creams, foundation, concealer, let's see, face wash, just everything pretty much compact in here. Everything fits. Another little toiletry bag. It just has deodorant. It has toothpaste, my toothbrush, dry shampoo, hairspray, and Listerine strips, and some floss down here. This is gonna go in my backpack as well. And then in this one, it's just all of my electronics, my iPhone charger, my iPad, and my iPhone double as one. My iWatch charger, my Beats charger, and then this dual charger where I can charge two things at the same time, and an extra pair of headphones. And then of course my camera charger is gonna go in there. And in this backpack I have my neck pillow and my Beats headphones, because I can't go anywhere without those. And then I have my down jacket just in case it gets really cold and the sweaters aren't enough. This one just compressed all the way down, just looks like this. And then right in here is my travel blanket, and then I have my crossbody purse that I'm going to be using for the trip when I'm not going out, because I did pack my going out bag in there, and then my wallet. So all of that fits right in here. My Beats headphones go right there. All my gadgets, I don't have to take these out, so I'm gonna put it right in here. The first aid kit I don't have to take out, so I'm just gonna hide it right there. My lip gloss and the Purell I'm going to stick in here. Just like that. Compact. And I'm gonna put it in the front one, along with this one that's gonna go right in the front as well. Okay, so they both didn't fit in the front. So I'm doing the bigger one right here, the smaller one right on top right there. My wallet does fit in here, and so does my little tripod. That fits right there. That closes. This one closes. And this fits perfectly right underneath the seat, just smushed, because most of it that's in here is cloth. And like I said, this thing's gonna be coming out with me since I'm gonna be using it while I'm on the plane. And this can be flat as well. So thanks to my friend, I was really up to the challenge. I can't believe that I was able to fit all of this stuff, and I'm sure I still overpacked. It definitely will be a lot easier next time I travel in a carry-on, because then I'll know exactly what I need and what I don't need and what I used and didn't use. This was really fun to film. If you want to see a little more in detail what I put inside of my makeup bag and what brushes I decided to bring with me, then let me know in the comments down below, and I will definitely film that for you. Please ignore the trash that's back there. I'm gonna try to crop that out. And yeah, so if you did like this video, please go ahead and like it and subscribe to my channel. Turn on your post notifications so you are notified every time I upload a video. And like I said, in the next 2 weeks, you'll see the vlog for this trip that's coming up, which I'm so excited for. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.